President of Institution Innovation Council of Raghavendra Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. Good morning, Ms. Suchi, Chief Guest of today's program. As a part of MHRD IIC driven activities, today we are organizing an interaction session with startup founder. As you all know that Central Government of India has started an initiative program called Atmanirbhar Bharat. So the main motto of this Atmanirbhar Bharat program is to make our Indian citizens as entrepreneurs and self-employed individuals. This self-employment makes the India wealthy India, and every citizen will stand up and can hold the financially confident life. This is possible from the student age itself. So any program regarding the motivation and mentoring about the idea generation, innovation, business development, and entrepreneurship help them to identify the resources and several ways to develop their own business idea into reality. So in this context, today we have invited an young successful startup founder, Ms. Sucharita, CEO of Suchi Fashions, Anantapur. She is an young achiever from our local region, Anantapur, and who started her business idea from the student age and who built her dream from the student age and became successful young entrepreneur. So, in this scenario, I have invited Ms. Suchi to give an interactive session with you. And you know that recently she designed costumes to the Big Boss contests also. So let us have an interaction session with Ms. Sucharita. And she has completed her BTech from Sri Sai College of Engineering, Anantapur, and trainee of fashion designing course from Europe. Now I invite Ms. Sucharita to share her success journey with us. Ms. Sucharita, thank you for accepting our request and for sharing your ideas.
Thank you for inviting to this meeting, Dr. M. Vijay Jyoti Garu and the Triveni ma'am. So I'm here to explain my journey about success. I mean, like, so many people think that what can a girl do in local area? So from the beginning, I will try to explain everything. So I just completed, when I completed my BTech, so I joined in software company in CTS. For 1 month, I did job in DLF block in Chennai. So there I realized that 9 to 5 jobs I can't do. So I pick up the business initiation. So I started my fashion designing in Europe. Actually, I prepared MS in Europe, but I decided to fashion. So when I was in childhood, like since 8 years, I used to design by myself. Like I go to the cloth store and pick up some clothes and design by myself. So whenever I go to the specific person, I don't feel like it's not a perfect finish. So I decided to spot something which I can offer to the Anantapur. Then I studied, so I'm just a trainee in fashion designing, but I'm a creative head. I can certainly say that. So in 2019, I started my own label in Anantapur. So many people have commented on me like, why you do in Anantapur? What does you do in Anantapur? So I just fed up all those words and I regret all those things. And then I started my own label from the day of the opening date of my boutique. I did my business. For 1 year, I successfully run my business without any interactions, without any failures. And main thing, it's not about like running a business is just a part of the life. It's just a passion. So I'm witnessing here like you can do anything. Like you have to do what you love. So there is a way you have to go in a specific way, reasons to utilize your ways. So many people think that only like some engineering, medicine, and then job, and then marriage. This is the track all the people will follow. Most of the people will follow all these things because of the parents' pressure and then maybe some specific problems. So I'm here to say that it's not the right track to choose you. So you have to study. So education is very important. After that, I did my BTech. So I'm engineering student, but I'm not interested in to do engineering software job. So I decided to do design. So again, I started in fashion designing. After that, my parents said that after engineering, you have to marry a guy. Those who's well settled, so you will be peaceful. Will lead the peaceful life with kids and all. So I decided I don't want to depend on someone. So everybody should have independent life. So when I expressed my idea about business and designing to my parents, they said that you can't do, a girl can't do. So I asked the time, give me 6 months, I will go by myself. Then I started it. After in 1 to 6 months of business, I did good approach in Anantapur. I didn't make a good publicity also. I believe in mouth to mouth publicity. So whenever I believe in that, that mouth to mouth publicity is very important in business. That too in designing part is mouth to mouth publicity is very important. So I believe that after 6 months, my parents appreciated that I got a most searched studio in Anantapur is mine. I got good ratings, and I worked for a film also, and then some serial. I designed for some serials also. So I want to go in a big way. So I decided. So I need to do something. So I started like. So I designed some clothes, and I sent it to some people, and then I did the photo shoot, and then I exported some designs to the other countries also. So there I realized that there is so many ways to do. Waited for the right opportunity actually. After 1 year, my boutique has opened March 17th, and March 22nd was lockdown. So I'm totally depressed. Like it's been only 1 year, and then I felt very low because of this corona, and then in this COVID-19, I felt very low, and then I decided to do something very well. So in 3 months, so many people asked me like, can you give me the internship? And then so many people depend on the boutique because they can't go to the other places to buy the bride and groom's dresses, and so dependent on me. So I decided to do something like. So I started from my home. So from the online, I took the measurements of the brides and grooms. So my workshop is in Hyderabad. So there I have contacts with the cloth dealers and everything. I started in very smooth way. So I started it. One day, when you have the passion in the sense of when you love what you do, hard work comes naturally. Some people say like if you work hard, only can even though if you work hard, the luck happens only in the 20% of the reason. So I don't believe in that. If you love what you do, hard work comes naturally. It gives a very successful way. So I worked in lockdown also in my home. From the home, I did designs, and I exported some of the designs to the other countries, and some through mails. So designs means sending, not that like that, some illustrations. So I got an opportunity, like I got a call from Big Boss, Big Boss Divi contestant. She checked my Instagram profile. She liked my designs, and she called me like, "I want to wear designs. I want to wear your designs in Big Boss house. So can you help me out?" So I thought that it's a fake call. Then it's just a miracle. So many people think that why would a girl, what do Anuppur girl can approach to Big Boss television? But, most of the people comment on me and fun on me, so I didn't care. So after the 2 days, I just called to her and decided what she want to wear. So many people didn't believe that I got opportunity to design the Big Boss house. Later on, that when she wore on the television, I updated the status of Divi. Then they realized, okay, she can do. So from the base of that, after the Big Boss, I did some jewelry, Surabban jewelry. That I gave the designs for them, and then some company I'm designing some costumes to the both male and female characters. And then I did a show. I did a show in Hyderabad also, in Vijayawada also. So I got opportunities. When only the thing is passion. Passion. Only passion cannot come through the process. You have to work hard. You have to dig the process where you have to go in the ways. Many of the people think that if you have passion, you can't sit like this and you can't dream. You can't be a daydreamer. So I can do this. I'm going to do this. I will do this. I'm doing this. This is not the track. When you're decided to do the thing, you have to do perfectionism. You have to maintain the perfectionism in everywhere. You have to follow up the certain rules. Whatever go through in different ways. Even my friend also, she's a doctor, she's a boxer, and she's a designer. She's a national champion in boxing field, and she's a designer. So many of the people going in so many ways, not only one track. Study, job, marriage, and then marriage, and then kids. This is not the life track. This is the new decade. We have to change ourselves. You have to follow your own track. First, you have to decide what you want to do, what you love. Only work hard from what you love. Don't depend on the luck. Like some people believe in that I work hard very well, but luck didn't work out for me. That's not the real. You have to work hard, and you have to follow your passion. And then I'm witnessing here, like I started my label in Anandapur in 2019, and this is the 2021. Even in this COVID situation also, I'm doing very well, good business. It's all about, once you maintain the standards and your passion and your certain ways, you have to follow that, and then you will get the success. It's not success means earning money and then getting the good name. It's not about that. You have to run the peaceful. You have to keep the mind very peaceful way. In creative field, we have to maintain the peaceful mind so that we can design, and then we implement that on the people, and then it has to succeed, and then we get the money. Main thing, first day of my boutique, I just sat down on my office chair, and then talk about I got the orders from the first day itself. So I'm scared of doing how can I start this. So after that, 1 hour of conversation with the client, and then I decided to I have to give my best to the client. So successfully, I gave my best design to the client, and then I got good reviews on Google, and then everything. When people said that what you do, if you have one opportunity, you will only get one opportunity. You don't feel like it's only one opportunity you feel. It's nothing like that. When you have passion and you have talk your passion in your dream, and you will get so many opportunities. Even though in lockdown also, I'm doing the best business. I'm giving the best designs to the clients. So many people think that so many people, you people think after the studies you will get the job and then you do marriage. Some girls are think like that. I want to marry a good guy with well settled, like government job and then private job, whatever. Parents the guy and then they will marry. After that, you won't feel nothing. You won't feel nothing. You don't have any idea. So we are in the decade. We are in the decade. We have to prove. We have the ability to prove ourselves. To never let down yourself. Anyone. If anyone criticize you, like in front of your or else a relative of your parent or else some other person, let them prove you. About you and your future. So even I'm engineering student now. I'm into business. I'm successfully running my boutique, my own label, and then I have many plans. Futurely, I want to expand Hyderabad and then Bangalore. So I have to contact all these branches. So some girls think like that after the studies I have to get married. Some parents will force them to marry. So it's not. I don't say don't marry and don't settle down. I say marry a guy, do a job, but you have to follow the passion. You don't quit a passion. Love what you do and prove yourself by your own. You have to prove yourself, and you have to own your own justification and own identification. So here I'm the person here whom I'm witnessing here. So I'm the successful person. I say that. So 19 years old fashion designer is doing a lot to the India. She designed the handloom cloths and she started her career in 14 years. I started my career very lately. I'm in on runway path. So I had to run like, so I started my career so lately, and then I have to run by myself. Like I have to prove. So every girl wants to prove here, like what so many people judge the girls, judge the female versions. Like these ladies can't do anything. So you have to prove yourself. Like we have so many opportunities, not only like in designing. Even though you be with the doctors and then whatever. So some people forcefully will join the study. Some people likely to join in own profession. But what I'm saying is, whatever you do is doing right now. But when the right time comes, follow your passion. For engineering student can do only software job, and then only MBBS doctor can do only doctor job. It's not like that. We can choose any at any time, at any age, at any certain timing, whatever possible ways. We have so many possible ways. So we have to choose the correct path. When we start the right thing, we don't fear. We don't get tensed. So you know the Sabyasachi designer. So many of the people, the world's famous designer is Sabyasachi. As of now, he's doing like 400 crores worth business per annum in only clothing. Even the exports and imports merchants can't do that much business. He is doing like 400 crores of business in only designing part. And he started own jewelry, like in diamonds. He started his business with only 1500 rupees. With 1500 rupees, now he's earning 400 crores. He said one quote like, he follow only the uh, dream, his dream. Not his dream is not nothing. When we sleep, the dream comes, and oh, this is my dream, and then we have to make this dream come true and make this real. It's not like that. So whatever the dream you are dreamt of your future is, first you have to maintain the confidence of yourself, like what you want to do. At the age of 18, a girl can do. India has so many virtual things. You know that recently, 23 years old girl and designing for the Calvin Klein. Calvin Klein is the best brand in the country. Not only in India. You know the brands like Calvin Klein, CK, Zara. These are the brands. 23 years old girl is doing the designs for the CK and Zara. So, fashion is nothing but designing the only Indo-Western. So bridal clothes based on the our South Indian fashion. Many of the people do fashion designing so different. My parents also didn't allow me to do fashion designing. So, most of Indian people have the mind negative thoughts on the fashion designing. It's a fast culture, and then we can't do that. And no, it's not. It's not so messy thing. The fashion designing is all about the designing your dreams. What so many people have the creative heads, but they trap it to the ground. They don't use it because they go on tracks like study, job, and marriage. So everybody has the ability to design. I surely say that because everybody has a creative mind. Some people do good in mathematics, some people do good in science, and some people do good in creative field. So think about yourself, where you are doing in good way, either or in engineering, or are you implementing something, or you are doing the nice job to the clients of designing. So in fashion designing, there are so many ways. Like we can gain in anything on cloth, on illustrations, on a particular cloth. Only so I will show many of the people can know this raw silk. You may know the raw silk. It's a raw silk. See, this is the raw silk types. It has so many types. So it's a depth knowledge of process. So we have to find out which silk is perfect to design. So I did a clothing side. So I find out the quality of the cloth and the texture. Based on that, I will whenever I choose the cloth, when I decide the cloth, it's go for the designing. So I did that. So illustrations mean, you know, the when client comes, they explain their requirements, then how they want to wear it. So we have to illustrate in front of them, and we have to satisfy them. Then we have to go for implementing and go for designing. So many categories are there. So management is there. Even though this clothing side also, so many categories out there. If you have to do any particular designing in fashion, you have to choose. You will take for one. Many people will think about that fashion designing is so easy. It's all about dyeing. It's all about finding the cloth. It's all about illustrating. It's not. It's not like that. It's so many people have the negative thoughts about fashion designing. Also, it's just a past culture. No, I'm witnessing here. I did my fashion designing in Europe. This is very fashion course will go in very decent way, and it's a good profession for all men and women. Some boys will think that fashion designing is only for girls. No, it's not like that. Many of the people will go under the course of styling. Many people. No, many of the boys they want to style up, but they feel shy because uh, they may be judged as like you are doing a girly thing. As per the local minds, I'm explaining this, but I'm not judging anyone here. When a girl style up here, so many people will, why you are doing a girly thing here? So even parents also can't accept that. So styling, even the men's also will do fashion designing. It's not in India, men's designers are very less here.
Suchi ma'am.
Women
Suchi ma'am.
designers.
Hello, Suchi ma'am. Sorry to disturb
Yes,
you.
yes.
Sorry for the interruption.
Okay.
Within 5 minutes, this meeting will be ended. Again, we will start the meeting, ma'am.
Yeah.
You can join with the same link, ma'am. Okay, dear students, all of you listen.
Okay.
After 5 minutes, this meeting will be ended. Again, you can rejoin with the same link. Okay. Okay, ma'am. You can start, ma'am.
Okay. So I suggest to the men, to the boys is don't be shy, don't hesitate to do fashion designing and styling, whatever it is. So many people will sum up the dream. It's like most of the celebrities hire the only men designers rather than the female. So in men's styling, there are so many opportunities. When you start styling by yourself, when you post, even you can blog yourself. You can start blogging. You can start vlogging. Some people may dreamt of style icon, and then when they post the pictures, they feel insecure because they may get bad comments on picture, or else some negative vibe they create. No, see, Jugalkar is the one of the best styling in Telugu industry. He's the one person who styled Samantha, Chaitanya, Naga Chaitanya, and Rana Dagubati and Prabhas. He's the one who is the build up all his by own. If you have any Instagram accounts, once check the Jugalkar, Preetham Jugalkar. He's the one of the best designer in males, not only girls. Designing is not only for the girls. Designing is also for the boys. By experience, I'm saying most of the men have the creative head in creating the designs also. When I talk to the clients, they explain the texture and explain the designs to based on their requirements. I design. So many of the men will interact with me about the designs. I say that men have the ability to create the design, and they can be a style icon to them. So you people know that stylist star Arjun, Allu Arjun. He don't know about styling, but he has the male stylist who earns for one outfit. He charges for 40,000 for 1 hour. So we have the opportunities in styling also, not only in designing. You can style by yourself, and you can post your pictures, and you can vlog, and you can blog, and you can pick up the. So in styling, you can't buy the. So many brands will reach out to you when you style properly, when they're impressed by you. So automatically you go through the process without knowingly, without unknowingly. You have a way. When you start your own passion, you have already a way. They will reach out to you. So Adidas and the Nike, these are all the brands will follow you. One Anantapur guy recently styled to the Vijay Devarakonda, because he wore a shirt of just a plain t-shirt, and then a plain struck with the red cap. He impressed by his style. Then he had a phone call with Vijay Devarakonda, and then he went to the Hyderabad, and he styled Vijay Devarakonda for one own blogging. And then I don't say that we have to do only in fashion designing. You have so many ways to create yourself and create your own identification in so many ways. What I have chosen is going in a good way. You have to choose what your path is. Mainly, you have to perpetuate the mind, like what you're doing. Is this correct? Is this your passion? And then what am I doing is the right thing? Yeah, am I following our passion? Passion means it's just not a simple word. It's just a so it's a big enormous word. Actually, pronunciation is very easy, but following passion is very hard. But I can say, when you have the passion, hard work comes very naturally. You don't even bother about it. When you are doing the right thing, what you love, when you're doing the right thing, and the fashion automatically follows you, not you follows the passion. And you automatically works on your passion, on your dreams, and naturally it flows, and in so many ways. And recently, you know, the Bahubali and Bahubali 1 and 2. So some side actors are there, right? For them, male stylists or styled them. Many of the people think that what's there in it, they wore some jackans like that's it, like that. But Rajmouli charged for them like around 1 lakh for one costume. So it's not about only the costume. You have to style all over the thing. What you are wearing, what you are choosing, color, concept, and then we have styling is not just wearing a dress. We have to live in it, and we have to maintain the confidence of it. So whenever you style a guy or a female, you have to think about you are doing it in your own way. Like if I doing to them, I feel like it's my body, it's my you have to think about you have to fix it in your mind that you are going to do the best, and you are going to do the best thing to them and for me. The styling process is very some doctors are doing Instagram followers, famous persons are there like Triveni, Ahuja. These are the doctors, but they are doing the styling to the celebrities. Recently, some Nagarjuna recently one film released, right? Some Black Dog something, I don't know. They styled it to the Nagarjuna. I was shocked. Like so some people come from the scratch and doing very big things. Not only the engineers, not only the doctors, everybody has the unique ways and so many ways to develop their future and develop their passion and develop their own identity. So so many people asked me like, you did a lot in with a certain age, and in less age you're successful. It's not about successful for me. I have to do so many lot things. It's just a startup, so I have to make branches, and then I have to do export and import business. It's a, you will get the so many ways if you start your own. So all can do very right thing. Everybody has their uniqueness, everybody has their own passion. Everybody, when people have own identification phase, why don't you have own uniqueness in your life? I believe it in strongly. So some parents will restrict the people, so their children, like not to do like this. Not explain them what you're doing. So if you're doing in perfect, if you have perfect plan, nobody has the perfect plan. Even I don't have the perfect plan, but I just jumped into this and I did a mistake and I learned, and I dive into the sea of designing, and finally I got the best way in my life. So I don't say don't do mistakes, do mistakes, but learn from it, and explain to the parents. It's not about age. You have to do before 25, the age, the marriage and the job and the kids, whatever it is. Age is just a number. Believe in that. Even 19 years old girl is doing the big thing, and the 46 years old lady is doing the big thing. Am I stretching too? I'm not a feminist here. So not only female, every boy, even the male, female, every can do. So you all know that KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken, he started his own business in 72 years. He succeeded. Still we are eating KFC. So not only in designing, what I'm stretching in boys is, designing is not only for the girls, designing is also for the boys. So male stylists have more opportunities than female stylists, because many of the people do their back step because of their insecurities, I say. And so many people won't accept the fashion designing and stylist to the boys, but there is a way, there is a full of opportunities for both men and women. Don't ever think about the place. When I started my own label in Anantapur, so many people commented on me, what you do in Anantapur, what you like, will customers able to come to you and design? No, don't ever judge by the place. Do your own thing and start by your own, whatever you have to do, for just follow your passion. And don't forget to follow the passion, and the age is just a number, and we have to dreamt of our own identification. Everybody needs own identification, that's it, that I can say. Genuinely I say, everybody has a unique and creativity ability to create themselves. So just be on yourself and find out yourself what you are, and just think about yourself. Just have a rather plan. Just don't study, just doing a job, and make a worthy plans of your future. Definitely you will succeed. Genuinely I say, everybody wanna be famous in this decade. So we have so many opportunities like Instagram, Facebook. So utilize that. Do your own thing. Famous is nothing but this girl, not by pricing. She's doing Instagram reels. She's doing that. She's blah blah. Not like that. I ratherly say that go in a very perfect plan. Do it in your good way. Utilize the path in very frequently in virtual path, like very witnessing way. When you're doing the thing, just have the rupture mind, like, is it going to work out? Yes, you have to work it. Give the 100% worth on it. Work hard comes naturally, very naturally. And then many of you guys will think that you can't do anything in Anantapur, but don't ever think that. So many right things are already started here. So designing studio started here. This is mine. And then so many recent, if you think Anantapur grown very, very well when compared to last 10 years to come this. So don't go like I'll go to Hyderabad, I'll go to Bangalore to get a job and to get my uniqueness. No, that's not the deal. You have to prove yourself where you're grown up, where you have studied. So where the only reason I started my own label is I feel like Anantapur needed something different. I can't let them go to the other cities to buy some designer piece. I want to attract them, so I started it. It's working on it. So if you have different passions, whatever it is, just start it, and then just follow it. But never ever give up, even in the hard times. Is it okay now?
Yes.
Yes. So, going about fashion designing or else any other styling courses, do you have any questions? Ask me, I'll answer you.
Okay, thank you. Really, you are an ideal icon to the youth. Actually, really, we are very happy to see you, and we are missing the opportunity to meet you directly because of this COVID pandemic situation. Otherwise, directly you have been visited our college. Really, it could be a very grand situation to us because you are the pioneer to the so many of the youth who are having the idea about the business development. Definitely, they would be inspired by seeing you and meeting you directly. But at least it is possible through this online platform, Ms. Suchi. Thank you for sharing the ideas and inspiring and motivating the students about business development. And you have proved as age is not limit, and also gender femininity is not at all a problem to be as the startup entrepreneur or something. Really, I'm very happy to see you through this online platform. And I have only one doubt, Ms. Suchi. Shall I ask if you do not mind?
Sure. Yes.
Actually, people think that fashion designing and going to the designing studio means it is a matter of money, and it will be only for the rich people. So, is this the correct thought, and is it reachable to the middle class also? Because I'm not telling as a customer. Yes, as a customer,
it's totally a myth, madam. Basically, it's not about the money. It's not about the middle class, rich families. Everybody can do the fashion designing. It's all about the choosing the category, and then most of the people have the creative head, so they will have the entrance exam. They will get the free seat. And in other countries like Europe and US, Europe is the best for the fashion, so they offer the free course for all. People who have the ability to create the designs. Italy is the icon of fashion. Italy.
Okay.
So we have the free courses, and we have the worthy courses, and like Even the 1 crore fashion design course also is there, but it's
Okay.
not about that money. It's not about
Okay.
the worth of our creativity. If you have creativity, you can complete the course within the 6 months.
Okay.
So, if you have the ability to create the design with specific specification, you will get a free course.
Okay.
So even the right opportunities will come right there.
Okay. Thank you.
It's a
Thank you.
business. It's not about the money. It's not about the standards of families like rich or poor. It's all about. It's
Okay.
for all.
Okay. Nice. Very nice.
Any can do the design.
Okay. One more query. Have you taken any financial support from the government to start your business? And do we have any initiatives from the government to start the startups?
If government will help
Financial
you,
support? Yes.
financial support will totally will give the government if you apply for the some specification loans. So first we have to hold the degree, and then we have to do like we have the courses like PhD like that we have the categories, right? So in fashion designing also some categories are there. If you hold a perfect degree in fashion designing, if you apply for the financial support to the government will definitely support you for the rich colleges. And then not only for Indian government, even though the other countries government also will give the full support to complete.
Okay. Oh.
With
Thank you. Thank you.
accommodation, with financial support, they will give the even the moral support they will give to complete our study.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Definitely, it will be useful to our students, and definitely they might have been inspired and motivated by seeing you because they are also at your age only. So today is the best day for them and for getting ideas, and also if already they have, definitely they will motivate that and activate that idea to bring it reality. Miss Suchi, thank you very much for sharing your ideas.
Always looking forward to motivate the people like not only gender priority.
Yes,
I will
yes,
motivate
because in this meeting, boy students are also there actually. So you already said that boys fashion designing and everything.
Yes.
Definitely, yes. Boys also have their ideas. So passion, especially the passion, is
Yes.
the main thing. And whatever they have dreamt, and if they have dream also, definitely they should work for it, and they should not come back. They should not look back for the hurdles. That's the very
Yes,
good
yes.
point. Yes, what you shared.
When we follow the passion, the hard work comes very naturally and success will
Yes,
come very
yes.
naturally.
Yes. First of all, so many comments may drag them back. You just think, and all the investment may become waste. Why do you take a risk? That's the main comment, and generally people get if they start a business. Think twice before investing. Like that, people will tell no if we start any business. So you have proven it as challenging
Yes.
field and passion. Work
Definitely,
for that.
and profits.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Suchi. Really, I am very happy to see you, the young entrepreneur. Thank you. Okay, shall we end the meeting, Suchi? Yeah, thank you. Dear students, if you have any queries and if you want to interact, Sucharita, queries Miss Suchi, but definitely they will tell in their homes that is today we have met Miss Suchi and this thing and all everything they will share. After coming to the college now, they will ask me, ma'am, at short age only in the small age, you have met a
I
young
can say age
entrepreneur
doesn't
like that.
matter.
Really, it's a bad time. Otherwise, we will have a photo session with you and everything. If possible, after the good days will come now, you have to come to our college, Suchi. Okay. We will invite you for Women's Day for 2022.
Definitely,
At least good days will come. Yes. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank
Yes,
you.
sure.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I am ending the meeting.